to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your notice writing. First of all, we all have to know the characteristics of notice. At the top there is notice head. After leaving one line, then there is the word notice. This word notice is to be written in capital letters and is also to be underlined. After leaving one line, in left hand side we have to mention the date. In date, first name of the month, then date, comma, year, full stop. After leaving one line, then we have to give the title to the notice, and then there is the body of the notice. In the body of the notice there are three parts. First one, that is the opening of the notice. Second one, that is the main content of the notice. Third one, that is the closing of the notice. And then after leaving one line, in left hand side, then there is the name with designation. After doing all this, then the notice is to be kept in lines, means we have to make outlines of the notice, and the outline is to be darkened to look beautiful. Now I am taking your notice. Write a notice for the school notice board informing the students about GK competition. The opening of the body, that is, it is hereby informed to all the students, third onward classes, that a GK competition is going to be organized by the students' parliament of our school. The competition will be in three groups: primary, 3rd to 5th, junior, 6th to 8th, and senior, 9th to 12th classes. We have to mention the date, time and the place. 3 points are to be mentioned, and the winner, top 10 will be awarded prizes in each of the groups. Then this is to be closed. And again I am taking your second notice. Write a notice informing to the NCC cadets about NCC parade. It is hereby informed to all the NCC cadets of junior wing that the weekly parade will be conducted on XYZ date at such and such time. It is compulsory for all the cadets to attend the parade. Mr. XYZ RM will be present on the parade ground. After parade there will be Jalpan. This is to be opened. Then next notice, write a notice for the school notice board informing the students about plantation program. We have to write, it is hereby informed to all the students that a plantation program is being organized in our school on XYZ date at such and such time. Therefore, all the students must reach class wise under the supervision of class teachers for plantation. 600 plants have been made available in the school premises. The chief purpose of plantation will be to eradicate pollution in the school premises. Now I have taken these three notices I hope you have understood. Through notice, we may give information about any parade, about any program, about any function, about any camp, if there is blood donation camp. It is hereby informed to all the students of 11th and 12th classes that a blood donation camp is going to be organized by Students' Parliament on XYZ date at such and such time in XYZ hospital. It is strong appeal to all the students to donate the blood for the noble cause, as the collected blood will be sent to the district bank, blood bank, for the soldiers at the front. Like this, after notice, if the words are less, as the word limit is 50, then we have to give one sentence also. For more details, contact the undersigned. So this is your notice. I hope you have understood the letter, as I have taken 4 notices in this one speech. And dear students, this is a type of message through notice board by any of the competent authority. Thank you very much.